guys, welcome. On today's video I'll be sharing a review of Itonga that's aired on the 10th of March 2025. On Friday we saw that Banele was shot and Banele waquleka in front of a class. On today's episode, Usanele was taken to the hospital by Usne, and Usne called the family to inform them about the situation. We also saw Uzama confessing to his father that she is dating yena benobanele, and Uzama uxoxele nobaba ukuthi ubanele proposed, and wamdlalela nendaba ukuthi bayathandana benobanele nanokuthi ubudlelwane babo bu serious kangakanani. And Uzama also shared with her father that i-relationship yakhe nobanele imkhumbuza i-relationship yababa wakhe benoma wakhe. So ubaba wakhe kuleyo moment leyo ngesikhathi Uzama emchazela kahle, emtshela nanendlela abathandana ngayo ngobanele, ube nokuyisola ngokuthi usebulale ubanele. Ngaleso sikhathi leyo azange aphendule kuZama, uvele waphuma endlini and went out to make a call. He made a call to one of the guys that he sent to kill Ubanele to confirm if the job has been done. On bad news, he wasn't happy that Ubanele was killed. But the guy he was calling confirmed that Ubanele has been shot and ngeke aze asinde. So ngalokho, with those concerns, he went to his brother and told him about the lento eyenzakalayo. Ubhuti wakhe advised him to go and talk to Zama, amenze ukuthi acabange ukuthi akanaso isandla ekufeni kwaSanele, ngoba uyazi ukuthi sooner or later the news will be out that Banele is dead. Wayethatha leyo advice uthe uzokwenza njalo. On the other side, we are shown in umndeni wakanjinji trying to find Ubanele. Belelo bezama bemfonela phatha bamtholi befuna ukumtshela ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoSanele. Mabengamtholi umalume lokemzama odoctor bayazama ukubona ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoSanele, abatholi ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoSanele, kuze kwafika esinqumeni sokuthi bamfake kwi-surgery kuze babone ukuthi yini inkinga yakhe. Umama Banele benoSanele signed the consent form enikeze udoctor i-permission to operate uSanele ukuze bathole isisembulile sale nkinga ababhekene nayo. So that's what basically happened on today's episode. So tomorrow we're gonna see what should happen go Sanele. At the end, we're shown Ubanele being operated by the doctors. It showed that eqaleni khona ama-guys amtholile Ubanele lying down on the floor, and then they made a call. They were calling an ambulance. So njengoba sethathiwa esibhedlela, odoctor trying to save impilo yakhe. We shown into engazuthi iphupho la khona Ubanele exosha uSanele emtshela ukuthi akakabi isikhathi sakhe, umndeni usamdinga, akahamba yophila. So on tomorrow's episode, hopefully we'll see uSanele evuka, and I hope bazothola ukuthi kwenzakalani ngoBanele, because it seems like he's going to die. So yeah, that's basically what's going to happen. Hopefully after that, I don't know, hopefully kusazosho, because ubaba kaZama usazophila ne-conscience yokuthi ubulale isithando sendodakazi yakhe ayithanda kakhulu uZama, and umndeni wakaMagwaza usazofuna ukuthi ubani ubulala uSanele, and surely umsolo wabo oqala kuzoba ubaba kaZama uNtanzi. And it seems like uSanele uzoba ithonga Ubanele, uzoba ithonga likaSanele, uzophila inside him. Like I said last time, it seems like uSanele uzophila impilo eziwu-2 manje, uzophila like the life ephila within lakhe yaphinda phile yakhe, because uzoba ithonga. Hopefully uzoba ithonga elihle engeke lime lento akade yiyona uSanele. Ubanele saphila, ubulaka, umdlavini, yonke leyo nto leyo. Thank you guys. See you on the next one.